watching, guys. This Makamuganga. Susan, more beauty. The lady, more beauty. Ananga Pika. Yeah. Ananga Pika. You know, Susan is more beautiful without makeup because she's a royal. Hey, hey. Susan is shampoo. Susan, mi anjing kemana? Mi anjing kemana? You are so lucky to have Susan Parmani. To have Susan Parmani. You are so lucky to have Susan. Yeah, to have Susan. Yeah. Let me tell you one other. If you wanna be a billionaire, you better say it's Susan. If you wanna be a billionaire, yeah. Susan on this Oh, my name is 47. That's my real name. That's my real name, Omera. No, when we get and Mano is you and Dan. I don't know who is the financial management. Wewe unaweza nyonga Dan, kumbe Dan sasa ndiye ako nayo bwana. Ndiye mkosi bwana. Ya bwana. kwa zote.
Hata hiyo kitu kitu tunapiga.
Unataka tuwekea beat tukurapi. Hiyo ni mzani sasa. Tuwekea beat na watu record hapa live. Ndio inaitwa 39. Unatoka TikTok. Unatoka Uganda.
Yeah, we are from Cebu. We are from
What TikTok? Okay. Yeah, you know. You know my grandfather is from Uganda, so I know some. Yeah, my name is Makamo. Keep on watching right now, guys. I'm here with the guys. The capital city of Uganda, Kampala. Yeah, right now I just want to give them a beat. I just want to hear this vibe, guys. Wanasema wanaimba kila yani kila hata ile ukisema hiyo pia wanaroga. Anguka nayo. Haya, okay. Mzee telling us money is evil. The same money, tunatoa sadaka. Yeah, the same money, tunatoa sadaka. Oh, yeah. That's nobody, that's nobody, mama. That's nobody, mama. Everyone is a criminal. Let's stop to money. That's nobody, mama. When it comes to money, that's nobody, mama. When it comes to money, that's nobody, mama. Ikifika kwa pesa, that's nobody, mama. Ikifika kwa cheda, that's nobody, mama. Everyone. Nobody can be trusted. Six pack without money, it's like disability.
Without money is disability. Wapi Kambi oye!
Fuck without money, it's like disability. Utanashati bila pesa ni kama ukilema, ni kama ukilema, ni kama ukilema, ni kama ukilema. Oh, nobody baba. Thank you for coming.
Big up. Yo, hapo ni IG. Hapo ni sasa. Straight boy.
I said, what are you? Lazima bado nitoke kwa streaming.
But we need 400 subscribers to release our next video.
Mko na subscriber wangapi?
391.
300.
Yeah, 91. Tunataka kufikia 400.
Okay. Yeah, hakunanga the thing about success is just pole pole. Unaweza toka mbio lakini
Sumbue.
management ikule bwa.
Nataka kutubambia watu 300.
Thank you. I'll subscribe. Keep on watching guys. This Makam. Yeah. See, there's a big group guys. They're just enjoying the vibe. Just taking along the beach. My name is Makam Mugenda guys. I don't know if I can manage to do this day. Wow, it's almost time. Almost time because I'm now late. Almost I'm late. Yeah, almost late. I have to stop preparing because right now I have to leave for the hotel. I normally perform leo sijabeba. I'll suffer. Oh my God. Will I manage performing without anything? I don't know. Yeah, guys, keep on watching Smaka. It's a very special evening. I'll be just taking you along the beach so that you can watch how beautiful is the beach, guys. And after this, sunset. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-S. Subscribe, watch. Keep on watching. This is how we do it, guys. We're the Maka, Big Maka, Big Maka, Big Maka Mugenda. Today I don't know if I'll manage this session, guys, because it's very busy session. And I see you. Excuse me, bro, mom. Naitwa Maka, hapa YouTube channel, so in case utakuwa online, naomba tu nisaidie follow, subscribe.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, hata mama naomba tu kama atakuwa online.
Ati?
Hapa YouTube channel. Naitwa Maka Mugenda.
Maka?
Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A.
About it?
I'm a musician.
Oh.
I play nyatiti.
Oh, you play like Nyatiti?
Yeah.
You play? You
Yeah.
don't sing?
I play and singing.
Uh-huh.
Also, I can just give you some
Do you sing Luya songs?
lawyer.
Or just Nyatiti?
But you know about singing.
You just play sounds?
No playing sound. I play while singing. Let me give you a sound. What's your name?
Atemo.
Atema.
Atemo.
I have decided, oh my God, to sing to Atemo.
Hebu niambie hapo.
Yeah.
Yep.
wanuwadika Yesu, wanuwadi, wanuwadika Yesu, wanuwadi chamongima, wanuwadi, 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 hallelujah, wanuwadika Yesu, wanuwadi chamongi, kawitu tunku, wanuwadika Yesu, wanuwadika chamongima, obomo, 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 Odubai ati atemo, jambo, yawa jambo.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Talent here.
Thank you so much.
Talent.
Thank you.
Guys, keep on watching this.
Follow.
Asante sana.
Sawa.
Thank you. Keep on watching this. Mpaka Mkwenda. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube. Yes, it's a vibe along the beach, guys. We normally do it every day. I don't know what to do because right now it's almost time, and I see they have already arrived, guys. I just have to leave, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I have to leave, guys, because of time. I can't manage to continue because time is almost. That's the end of my session, guys. Keep on watching Smart Muganda. I'll have another session in Lagoon Papillon. That's the end of my session, and may God bless you. Thank you so much.